how can you download files from the iPad to an USB stick or some kind of external storage drive? Well, let me show you exactly how it would work. If you are new here and first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe for more explanations and tutorials like this one. Anyways, you at first have to figure out the connection and connect it to the iPad. Of course, we're going to use the port. If you need some sort of dongle or connector, definitely use that. It's, available to like connected to the iPad. Is actually necessary if you have like the older, larger USB-A. But once you figure out the connection, just head over to the Files app right away, and in there you will be able to see and browse the different locations. And if you have thing like a different external storage connected, something like USB, it is going to appear under the location, so you can switch in between that, start browsing the files, whatever. And this is going to show you all of the files which are in there. And right now we just need to move the files to the external USB. So what we are going to do about that is at first figure out where the original file is. If it's a photo, for example, it's a very common case actually. You can open up the Photos app, open the picture in full screen or select multiple of them, tap on Share for this menu to appear. And from the options, just click on the Save to Files. And in there, you're going to pick the location, but since we connected a third-party USB connection, you should be able to find it right there, and you can literally paste or save photos and videos directly from gallery to the external USB. So that is very useful. But if it's some kind of other file, you will as well be able to go to the Files app, browse the local storage, which is called On My iPad, and as well just hold down on some different things, click on Move or Copy, and you will then paste it in the USB, or you can also just drag and drop it, right? Like you can literally just grab it like this, click with the other finger on that USB, and literally drag it over there, and it's also going to be copied. So you have more ways how you can move the file in there, but that is generally how it works. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more so you don't miss the upcoming videos and tutorials like this one.